Hey everyone, we're here with tech genius from ThinKNX, Luca. Luca, I'll let you introduce yourself.
Hello everybody. So let's talk about ThinKNX. Basically ThinKNX is a universal multi-purpose home automation supervisor that can combine in one system all the functionalities and bus that you have in your home automation system. It is based on KNX, but can, let's say, convey all the information from several systems and buses, from Modbus, Lutron, and many others. It can also interact with the Internet of Things, MQTT, Z-Wave, and so on. So you can control your multimedia stuff, security system, surveillance, and monitor your energy and things like that. It is it comes in a form of a touchscreen with a server on the back.
Have Luca run us through all the screen selections that are available with ThinKNX.
So actually this is the biggest one. It is the 10-inch touchscreen, and you can have all the customization inside with floor maps, with all the functionality for lighting, shades, everything that you can control for your home automation. It can be also a door interface for your doorcom, and I mean you can have in one UI all the stuff. The same things you can have in a smaller size. It is a 7-inch, and it's basically the same. All these devices come with a frame that can be in aluminium or in many other materials and finishing. Then we have another side that is called retrofit, because we used to retrofit screens from other brands that are a little.
Oh, great! So the frame's a little bit bigger, right?
Yeah,
to make some more.
Yeah, you have
space.
more space and more holes on the back to fix some older boxes. Then we have this line of screens that are from Trendline.
And these are quite new, right?
Yeah, this is new actually, and they are based on widgets like that instead of a map.
Yeah.
And you can have easy UI, and they comes also with KNX TP on the back and the temperature and humidity probe.
And what are these called again?
Sorry?
What are they called again? This screen? What's the name for them? Because
this is a trend line, and the other one is the Pro line. The Pro line is the one with the fully fledged with the map and everything.
And these are called the King, right?
Yes,
the range.
Yeah, this is the King range, and this is the Key 2, and this is the King, and then we have the Piccolo.
And so, do the Kings have a server behind them as well?
Yes.
Okay.
It is with server behind, except for the Piccolo, that instead it's just a client, and it can be a client for the Pro line or for the Trend line.
Or in from any of the servers as well, obviously.
Yes,
great.
And it can have camera, it can have everything.
So I just noticed even these small screens here have temperature, humidity, VoIP, SIP, obviously they are PoE, and 12-volt DC.
Great.
So really nice.
Okay, Luca, tell us what forms that this can come in.
Okay, in addition to touchscreen, it comes also in a form of a server that can be in a desktop mount or in a DIN rail mounting case. And actually each server has a KNX TP connection, power supply, USB, and Ethernet. So it's a very small building block, but it can be used for all the functionality that you see. There are several kind of servers, micro and compact. The compact has a lot of IOs that you can use to interface with RS485 like Modbus, RS232, and other things like that. Server has also a little screen to make it easy to install and deploy, like set IP and all these kind of configurations.
Oh, great.
Okay, so just have a little look at some of the features that are available. Can you talk about that?
Yes, these are all the common features between all the servers and the touch screens. So the UI that you create can be multi-language, scenes are supported, customizable 100%. You can add KNX monitor to record all the KNX traffic, presence simulator, you have logic inside, and many other things.
So this system comes with the cloud service,
yes.
And obviously a built-in IP connection to KNX?
Correct. You have a cloud service that you can use either to deploy the project. It means you can do the modification to the project from your office and send to the cloud, and the cloud will send to all the devices, the phone of the owner of the house, but also touchscreen and server. And also you have a KNX IP interface that you can use for programming. So you have the KNX TP on the server, but then you can use the server as a KNX IP interface.
Is this also included in the screens?
Yes,
Yeah.
of course it is also on the screens, and
Yeah.
also the screens they have RS485 and RS232.
So guys, we're packing a bit of value into all this, and ThinKNX has worked really hard so that you can use this server and not have to worry about having an extra IP interface router, all built into the one server, and also remote access to the KNX and also the ThinKNX through a secure third-party server cloud.